everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're doing a vlog. We have what we call a festival in Brisbane every year, and I think it goes for the whole month and it has different activities. So tonight it's called Lightscape and it's all these lights, and we will take you along. I've never been before, so looking forward to it. Hopefully there's some food vans there because I'm starving. Peter's starving as well, so we'll take you along and see what it's like.
If I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know. If I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could. Something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you. Have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind, and we don't have to think.
So we just finished at Lightscape. They had some food trucks, so we had lots of food, burgers, not good food, but it was okay. A couple of champagnes, and we're just heading home now to the girls. So it was a really good, really worth seeing it if you're in Brisbane or if they come to your city or town. So go and see it, Lightscape.